brother Filipe, and all those Fijian and Pacific Islanders, braving the seas to provide for their families back home. Cheer up now, this is for you. Most people ask about the money, how much did you make this time? But very few ever wonder if your heart is doing fine. Out there on the restless ocean, where the nights feel cold and long, a simple call, a simple hello can remind you where you belong. It's not about the numbers, it's not about the pay. Sometimes all you need to hear is, are you okay today? We are the wave watchers, standing strong, carrying our love when the nights are long. More than a paycheck, more than a load, we carry our hearts on this endless road. So ask if we're okay, ask if we're fed, ask if we're resting our tired head. Tell us we're missed, don't let us drift. Your voice is the greatest thing. Ask if we're eating, ask if we sleep, ask if the silence is cutting too deep. Many work sick, many work sore, pushing their bodies like never before. Rest is a luxury, privacy rare, and weakness is something we're taught not to share. Behind every uniform, behind every face, is a soul still needing love and grace. We're the wave watchers, standing strong, carrying our love when the nights are long. More than a paycheck, more than a load, we carry our hearts on this endless road. So ask if we're okay, ask if we're fed, ask if we're resting our tired head. Tell us we're missed, don't let us drift. Your voice is the greatest. If we don't reply, don't assume the worst. We might be on duty or fighting our thirst. Bad signal, long shifts, different time zones. Sometimes all we need is patience at home. Pressure can break us, but love pulls us through. Understanding means more than what money can do. There's a saying at sea that sounds like a joke till you live it and feel how heavy it soaks. You're not allowed to get sick, you're not allowed to die. That's the truth behind the uniform under the ocean sky. We're the wave watchers, standing strong, holding on when the storms roll on. More than a paycheck, more than a load, we carry our hearts on this endless road. So ask if we're okay, ask if we're fed, ask if we're resting our tired heads. Tell us we're missed, don't let us drift. Your voice is the greatest gift. Remember the person before the pay, before the money sent your way. We carry more than cargo, can't you see? We carry your love, and it carries me.